Citizens of Troy have been buzzing in discussion ever since Governor Kay Ivey's big announcement on Monday. A Kimber firearms factory will be built in Troy. When, where, and what does this mean for city economics are just a few questions we have all been asking. I spoke with Mayor Jason Reeves to get a few answers.
Well, I'm hoping with just in the next 30 days we'll have all the design and engineering completed and can get moving.
The company will be located in the Industrial Park South, occupying and renovating an existing 50,000 square foot building and constructing an additional 150,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. And according to Reeves, not only will Kimber be bringing the gun factory to Troy, but also building an engineering and design department.
They're going to be designing new products down here, which will bring in, very talented people from all over.
Reeves says Kimber will bring in a minimum of 366 new jobs to Troy, offering an average salary of over $22 an hour.
When you have good, high-paying jobs like this, it makes a difference. The jobs that surround it, the overall economic impact that it creates for everyone is substantial. So, the sum of the parts is so much greater, than the whole.
Reeves says his hope is that the project will be completed and the facility fully functional by early 2019. Anna Kate Patterson, Troy, TrojanVision News.